Welcome back to my channel. Today we will explore how to take care of your eyes using safe, time-tested methods like acupressure and natural means with no side effects and just gentle healing. Now let's see the problems of the eyes and the solution related to that one. One problem is of eye infection. What to do if you have an eye infection? If you have eye infection, you will have to sedate GV20. That is, so guys, we need to identify GV20 in my finger. You can see the thumb. You would have seen the picture also, and in the hand it will come here. So abhi, what we need to do is we need to sedate it. Sedate means, as I told you earlier also, sedate means this yellow will be pasted in the tape, and it will be pasted here. You can see the upper part has come up. So this is sedate. Now people are coming with a question that they don't have this kind of magnet. So what to do with that? If you don't have the magnet, no problem. Use this fenugreek seed. इसको हिंदी में भी मेथी दाना बोलते हैं. आप इसको भी लगा सकते हैं इस तरह से. बट इसमें बेसिक चीज़ आपको करनी पड़ेगी. इसे आपको प्रेस करना पड़ेगा हर आधे घंटे में 2-3 बार, ताकि वहाँ पे एनर्जी क्रिएट होता रहे. The next eye problem, that is blood vision and losing of eyesight. This generally happens in the old people. Here you will have to tone HT36. The point is shown in the picture. For toning HT36, you will require this tape and the magnet. This white portion will be toward this side, and just paste it here. And HT36 toning is completed. You will have to put it around 6 to 7 hours to get the good result of it. Okay, now the next problem we are going to discuss is the cataract. For this cataract, we will have to tone CV6 or sedate GV37. Let's understand the location of CV6 and GV37. And the location of CV6 is here and GV37 is here. Now let's tone CV6. You know how to tone that. Put white color here and paste it here. CV6 tone. And sedate करने के लिए just take another magnet. Sedate के लिए you will have to put this yellow portion this side and just put it here. Your CV6 tone and GV37 sedate. Now we will learn about the color therapy for the eye problems. So in the acupressure, this index finger middle joint indicates the eyes. This is for the right and this is for the left eyes. So if somebody has got the problems of eye itching, in such case what we are going to do, so this is the violet color. Apply the violet color in this area and in this area. Then your problem will be getting slowly recovered. And if your eye has become red and it is burning, so in that case we will have to apply green color surrounding this area and this area, all the around. Apply it if you are having the problem of eye burning and redness. If the problem is of eyesight weakness, in that color therapy we have to apply this sky blue color in this area only, here and here. In the Sujok therapy, this area indicates of your eyes, so just apply 2 blue dots here for the weak eyesight. If you have the problem of eye twitching, in that case you will have to apply yellow color in the same area as we have been discussing and around this area. For some time it may happen, but surely it will get cured in after applying 4 to 6 hours. So thank you so much for watching this video. Till now we have discussed about the acupressure therapy for the eye problems, and parallelly we have discussed about the color therapy for the eye problems. So keep watching, keep guiding others, and if you have any other problem you can text me. If I have any protocols for that, I will share with you. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.